Now, a mention, an acknowledgement obviously gives much satisfaction. A winch, that's right? I mean, shall we talk about this winch? Yes, willingly. Now, a forestry vehicle is a bit particular to be able to work in very sloped, steep-sloped areas to avoid danger and risks, of course, for the operator, and also to be able to work in very difficult areas and terrain. It's very important because the mountains are no longer as they used to be. You've got to clean them up and do work well and leave the work done well. In fact, the winch is really used for that. It allows the machine to go and work in areas which are sometimes degraded. You have to go and clean up all the mountains. In fact, there's no longer sufficient personnel, so you have to use machines. But to do so safely, you've got to have a system that really can hold onto the machine when the slope is very deep. How did you work this and develop this? Now, this sort of winch already exists. It has existed for some years. What we innovated was that instead of having a hydraulically controlled winch, we have a completely electric-controlled winch working on batteries. So that is something very important. You don't pollute. You save a lot of energy. And when you go up, you use the energy. When you come down, in fact, you then store it. Well, can you give us an idea about the user and the advantages? Now, these are machines which are destined for professional operators who are used to working with this sort of steep slope machines. But we've tried to improve the performance and also make it much more easy to almost work by itself. So now you've just got to communicate and sell it, right? We'll meet at Eima.